So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to sign tenant brokerage agreements in Docusign. Firstly, log into your Docusign and upload your tenancy agreement document. You can drag and drop files directly from your desktop or import them from cloud platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Because you are executing this copy yourself, make sure to check the box that says I'm only signer before moving to the next screen. Now create your official signature by drawing it with a finger or stylus on your screen, uploading an image of your physical signature or selecting a stylized font that matches your name. Now drag and drop your signature, initials, and date signed fields from the left sidebar directly onto the signature blocks at the bottom of your lease. Now once your fields are securely placed, enter the email address of your landlord, tenant, or property management agency to automatically route a copy of your fully signed contract directly to their inbox. The finalized PDF and its secure audit trail will remain saved permanently inside your Docusign dashboard for anytime access. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.